And what are you looking at? Well, you are looking at the M37, the gauges, and I am going to see if I can take that the panel off to check the wiring, and there's supposed to be a circuit breaker there somewhere. First I gotta get that panel off. So I gotta get to the other side. Okay, so how this works, after I get up there, let's see. Now, they say these screws are supposed to be the type that you push in and turn, and they should unlock, basically. Oh, yep, it does. And it's not even all that bad either. Most of the other stuff I've worked on has been frozen solid. Alright, now the fun part. Let's see, get that without busting a whole lot of wires. Oh, the other one's not. Okay. There we go. Now, of course you got these things hanging up. That's the only problem. Okay, so I'm expecting a pretty hairy situation in here. Let's see. There we go. Wow. Well, I don't know if you can see that very well, but the wires are fairly solid. But, holy cow. Those things go all the way back in there, too. Wow, you should see this. Let me see if I can turn the camera around. I got it on a tripod now, so see inside. Alright. There. See it going all the way back in there. There's wires as far as you can see. There, let's see. Gotta get it lit up so you can see it, otherwise it doesn't do you any good. Oh, just trying to get this on and trying to do filming is the same problem. Alright, so as you can see, there's a whole bunch of stuff back there. A lot of wiring down below even. And then of course you have all the instruments. So yeah, in fact it looks like most of the instruments are still attached. But the thing I'm trying to do is see if I can find a circuit breaker. Well shoot, I don't even know what it's supposed to look like. Cats, this is crazy. Well, I don't know. And I don't think I can film enough. I should put tripods in the way again. Close it up, see if I can do that better. Okay. Now, there's the instrument back there. And go there. The whole thing came about when I tried to turn the lights on, and they said, well, the panel light should come on if you turn the switch, and nope, nothing. And I've taken the headlights off, but at least the panel light should work, but they don't. So, because the gauges, they gotta be lit up from behind, and so I'm guessing there's gotta be some lights in there somewhere. It's hooked up. Yeah, this thing just goes way back in there. Let's see if I can. Oops, something just fell out. Oh yeah. We just fell out of there. There's a whole problem right here. There's a whole problem right there. There it is right there. That's the problem. That fell out of the instrument panel. Come on, let's see, what is it? There you go. Yeah, that whole wasp nest fell, a paper wasp nest fell out of the instrument panel and rolled across the floor. Oh my God, this thing is something else. I find these everywhere. These stupid things are everywhere in this car. I've found them under fenders, inside the engine, they've been everywhere. So, oh look, see, I think this thing even has a, oh yeah, it does. It's got a high low beam switch on it too, down there. Ah, okay. Oh, it must have, okay. Clicks on and off. Okay. But yeah, I don't know. This instrument panel is something else. Let's see. Let me go ahead and, nope, go back. That's as far back as I can go. All right, well, you can see there's just all kinds of stuff in the way. Now I want to look on the other side, see what's over there. And, well, looks like a big hole back there. Let's see. I'm trying to make it so you guys can see it, but I can see it, but you can't. But really, there's one big main line coming in. That thing there is huge. Huh. Okay, well, this is going to take a lot of work trying to figure out what it is with this wiring. Oh my God. And actually it's in pretty good shape. I mean, it's not all busted up. The insulation hasn't fallen off or anything else, but it's just kind of weird trying to find out where everything is. Okay, well, I guess that's where I'm going to leave you for right now because I have no idea what's going on. So that's going to be it for now. Talk to you guys later after I come up with something.